In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Windows Server 2022. Once we get this one, you have to click Next. Install now. It's setting up. You can choose any of them right here if you want to install Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation, because I'm using standard evaluation version. If you want to buy a license for this one, you can download from the Microsoft. So for that, I'm gonna go with the Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation. Next. I accept the terms. Next. I like to go with the custom one and click on this one. If you want to change the partition, you can change from here if you want. If you don't want to, that's up to you. I'm not gonna go to do the partition right now. I'll just do the next. I need to start installing your operating system. I'll come back once it's done. Alright, click on restart. After restart, it will process all the component. Okay, so right here you have to type your password. And you have to click finish. You have to send Control-Alt-Delete and type the password here. Once you log in, I'd rather like to change the server name. Let's go ahead and minimize this. We will check on this one later. Right, click on this one, go to this PC, right click it, properties. Also you can click on here, or you can click on here, rename this PC. Once you click on there, it will pop up your computer name and then change. You can put anything, it doesn't really matter. I would rather like to say DC01 and then click OK. It will ask you to reboot. I will reboot this PC. Okay, close, restart now.